It's June 23rd. You're here with Chico and Buying Selling Stock Series. And one thing stock I want to talk about is Cisco Systems. Yeah, the markets today is up a little bit despite the added U.S. involvement with the Iran-Israeli war, where U.S. has attacked Iran and bombed certain targets. Sadly, yeah, war is never a nice thing, and especially in these crazy times. And somehow the market has brushed it off and decided to go a little bit higher and get a little enthusiastic about the economy, I suppose. Anyways, yeah, I want to talk about Cisco Systems. So Cisco System is a networking company, and they're the backbone of the internet, and they've been doing router switches and other components, and also security and what have you. And they've been around for a while, since the dot-com era in the 2000s, where they peaked at an all-time high in those crazy days. And you can see it plummeted after the dot-com bust, and it continued to finally recoup all that was lost back then. And it's a $268 billion cap stock. So it's not like one of the stocks that it's just been like has super high growth, and despite selling so much equipment to help build the internet infrastructure, and also these days now AI, part of the optimized AI networking solutions for data centers. And they have a partnership with NVDIA. Various companies do, and they're certainly one of them. And here in this statement here, this article is saying from Cisco's press release, which you can go to the website. They on March 18th, they talk about partnership with NVIDIA on the silicon being working with NVIDIA Spectrum XTM Ethernet networking platform, which would help their Cisco One solution. Basically is their chips better to process traffic related to AI to optimally move data throughout the network and more efficiently. And here's the last quarter presentation that you can get off their website too. And one slide, sorry, scrolling so fast. One slide I just want to take you is like here. So for networking, they do about 7 billion in the last quarter. That's just networking alone, and this is for one quarter. And so also in their last earnings release, they were talking about how AI-related network sales are about now predicted to be about 1 billion for 2025 now. So that's orders. That's not revenue. Sorry, that's orders for 2025, and that's for the 2025 year, not one quarter. Over here, we're showing Q3, one quarter, $7 billion. And the reason I want to point that out is that the equipment that I guess is more optimized for AI and data centers and what have you is a fraction of what their overall business, okay? But the reason I want to make a play for Cisco is I don't know if it has how much upside it has, but I thought it'd be worth buying into Cisco. They announced earnings on around August 13th. I don't think the date is locked down yet, but it's around mid August, I would say. And so maybe they have like a story about AI that continues to exceed expectations, because last quarter they did have a good quarter, and they talked about AI, and then I think, well, that was really nice. And so, but again, Cisco is kind of like a big giant in the networking industry and for growth. So mostly their stock goes sideways, but I thought maybe things have changed. I don't know. I think the downsides risk is limited, and if anything, it's more like sideways and slightly up. But if things should exceed expectations, Wall Street, maybe they would have a pop. Maybe we can make a quick buck here. And the other reason for making this play on Cisco is because of Oracle's last quarter announcement, and how they're saying the data centers are just like, demand is like continues to be through the roof. Okay, so yeah, we have in our portfolio here, shown on WeBull, we have Robinhood, Carvana, Facebook, and Broadcom, and we're at around 127K today, almost 128. And again, this portfolio has started since March 12th of this year, and we're gonna add 150 shares of Cisco, because we only have about 11K. You can see buying power, 11,500 left of cash in our portfolio here. So yeah, I'm gonna just hit the button here, and we're in with Cisco at today, $66.73. Let's see what our price will be around there. It hasn't shown up yet, but hopefully it will. The order will go through, and it's part of our portfolio. Okay, so that's all I have for today, and our new addition to. Let's see. Working order. Oh, I think it got filled. There you go. Cisco. It's now part of our portfolio. And I don't have intentions to hold it long term. I just want to hold it at least till the next earnings in mid-August, and we'll see if we continue to hold or liquidate it. So yeah, that's all I got today. I'll catch you next episode. Wish you a good day.